Hey YouTube, back here on this Jet 14-inch bandsaw again. I had a problem where I could raise, or actually, well, when I raise this, the blade guide here, if I adjust it here at the top upmost position, and then when I would lower it, what would happen is this thing would go back this way, so that there'd be a gap between the back of the blade and this bearing set here. Where I have it set up right now, I could just barely turn it, but if I push like this, the blade will spin the bearing, right? And then spin. So what I had to end up doing in order to correct that, I used some, I was going to use aluminum cans for shim, but then I figured, you know what, I got a bunch of these, I won't have to cut the aluminum cans. I'll just throw a couple of those and see what happens here. So I took 3 and I put them here, and it was a little bit tight on the bottom when it came down, meaning it was coming forward too much. So I figured, okay, so if I'm doing it on the top and it's doing that, maybe if I throw them on the bottom, it'll tilt the whole thing more. Instead of putting 3 like I was doing on the top, I put 2 on the bottom. So now when I adjust it, this thing slides right down practically to the table, right? Let me get it to where it'll be like, that's about it right there. And it's just right. So if I take the blade and move it, the bearing will spin. See that? But if I rotate the wheel, it won't spin. And then when I run this back up, same deal here. The bearing is not spinning, but when I grab the blade and push a little, like if I'm a piece of wood, it spins. I owe credit to a guy on Weekend Freedom Machines. I can't remember his name right off the top of my head. I think it's JD or anyway, I can't remember. Props to you, bro. Whatever your name is, I'll remember when I go to post again. But I owe him credit for that because he's the one that made me think about that. So yeah, I got that part fixed to where I don't have to worry about this having to be adjusted every time I need to adjust the level of the cut height for safety. Okay, that's it. I'll give you another update when I get one.